In this video, we're going to look at the main tool that allowed me to create my sole in 3D with very little knowledge. If I draw a segment line, I can use it to create a plane based on it. So if I draw another one, I can do the exact same thing. If the direction of those planes are in parallel, they will intersect, forming another segment where they meet, as you can see on the screen. To make things easier, we will use two perpendicular planes. Once you understand this principle, you can use it with more complex segments to create a curve in space formed by the intersection of two complex planes. The Crv2View function in Rhino lets us perform this operation easily without having to manually create plans every time. Now it's time to apply this principle to the line of our design. First, I draw the line corresponding to the sole in the XY plane. That's the view from the top of the object. Then the line from the side in the ZY plane. You can now see me using the Crv2View function to generate in 3D space the intersection of those segments. Once my framework is built, I can easily use it as a base to create the surfaces between the curves. For the footbed, I use the shape of my last offset by 2 mm to account for the thickness of the upper materials. I realized another 3D print of it. I'm really happy with the result. I like how the line in the back are aligning perfectly with the upper. However, the sole doesn't match 100% with the upper because of the varying thickness of materials and reinforcement used in the shoe. I also noticed that the top line of the sole doesn't quite follow the same curve as the toe cap, which makes it look like its height isn't consistent. I will see you in the next part where we'll go over how we managed to solve all those problems.